Hi, this is John with WTI. And when it comes to having a good option of reliable Type C cables, this is where this QCEs 60-watt power delivery cable comes into place. And some of the main features that makes this cable so reliable is the build quality. It's built like a tank. Like I'm a heavy duty user that at the same time having some cables like this that are gonna be braided, and it's gonna have this attachment of rubber that I can pretty much twist this sideways anywhere that I want to go. It's really good, and just connecting it directly to a power brick that is gonna give a nice amount of power that I can charge my Chromebook or I can charge any other of my other devices like my phone, a tablet, or my earbuds. And this is 5 feet, so it's a good amount of of traveling that you can do with this. It's just easy, good quality, built like a tank, and it's gonna last you for a good time. So this was Sean with WTI, and that was my point of view.